Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I hope you will like my video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to show some support to my work and my channel. So in the last video I showed you the earnings in the first 5 days of having a Wingbits WB200. The earnings were between 60 and 70 wings per day. You saw that I put the miner on the half of my pole where I have also a GeoNet miner. What did I do to improve my earnings? They were, let's say, average. I moved my miner 2 meters higher, so I will show you 2 meters higher next to my GeoNet miner. You can see here. And so before the moving of this miner, I had 33 hexes covered, and since I moved the miner 2 meters higher, now I'm covering between 40 and 53 hexes. So a big improvement, and my earnings almost doubled. So you can see that in the last 7 days I have been earning 130 wings, 134, 131, 136, 134 again, 127, 125. So what do you need to do? If you have, let's say, around average is I think 70 wings, you need to move the miner higher, so the highest it can be, and then you will see a big improvement in your earnings. For now I'm really happy with this. So if you want to buy this miner or any other miner, I advise you to use Helium Deploy Store and use my code. There are two codes, one for products under $500 and other code is for products above $500. You will get discount and you will also help me to get my channel grow. So I hope if you didn't subscribe, please subscribe to support me and my channel, and tell me what do you think about this. Tell me what do you think about this project. Also, if you have any questions or you need any help with your station, a miner or something, just feel free to write in comments. I hope you liked this video, and see you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.